Hey guys, it's DJ with Raney's. We all know the feeling of excitement you get when you start planning to customize your rig. However, we know that the price tag on some things can be a bit scary. So, what do? Why not start small and upgrade your shift knob? You won't find a better knob than one from Twisted Shifterz. If we can say anything about the Twisted Shifterz knobs, it's that they're stylish. There are so many different varieties of knobs, and every single one is a piece of art. If you want an orb knob, take your pick of all these different shades and icons. Maybe you want to keep it brand specific. Or you want to represent your favorite superhero, fictional or real. Or maybe you just need a reminder to have a nice day. We also have a wide selection of figurine shifter knobs if you want something a little more expressive. These knobs are made of quality material and, best of all, they're all hand painted with airbrushing and paintbrush technique. Choose from a wide variety of knobs like our gentlemanly top hat skull. Or maybe our top hat wolf if you're feeling ferocious. Are you a speed demon on the road? We've got that covered too. Or maybe you'd like my personal favorite, Cletus. The most simple customization on your truck is only one step away. If you want to get started on making your rig awesome without shelling out a ton of cash, pick up a new shifter knob by Twisted Shifterz. All you have to do is visit us in store or at Raneys.com. Or if you're looking for something else for your cab, why not check out these awesome seat covers right here.